Hey guys, so today I'm doing something a little different. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite apps in the world, and I just got a new phone, so I have to do this all over again. And we're gonna go into my closet. This app I've mentioned on my blog. I'll try to link that specific post in the description box, but this is the coolest app ever. This is one of those little closet apps, and I'll show you here. You can just download the app for free if you want to do something small. That would be good for, like, you know, capsule wardrobes, that kind of thing. But they do have different closets you can buy, and they're super affordable. So I have the full version, so I have no limits. I can pretty much put as much shit as I want in my closets and make as many outfits as I'd like, and there's no ads. It's only $3.99 Canadian for that, so if you're in the States, it's probably cheaper. It's got all sorts of different little sections here. So for places to go, there's your clothing. So this is all the clothing. All your items are up here, and your outfits that you build will go down here. And then you've got a calendar, which is one of my favorites because I like to plan my outfits for the week. I'm one of those weird OCD people. And what you can do is you can just click on a date. That's the date we are today. It's the 1st of August, holy crap. And then you can either have it pick a random outfit for you, or you can have it add an entire week of random outfits. You can select specific clothing pieces, add notes, or you can go to add clothing and it'll let you choose a whole outfit or specific items. You can favorite stuff, share stuff, add tags so it's easier to find. We've got packing lists, so you can make a new packing list and toss in whole outfits again or individual clothing items. That is super it, basically. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to add clothes to your closet. You can add them directly through the app, but what I like to do is to take the pictures before I put them in, and then you can also edit them down. Excuse me, Winston. What are you doing? So you can edit them down to the size and shape of the picture you'd prefer. And wow, he likes to go under blankets, sorry. So I've just got this laid out on the bed for right now. The other ones I'm probably going to do on the floor upstairs. But to show you right now, I like to take the pictures beforehand. So we've got some shorts here. These are like my clothes for the week, by the way, that I already have like laid out. So now we're going to add these to the closet. So go to items, create new item, and then choose photo. This is one of the reasons that it is so much easier to input them from your photo album, because you can just select them all, and then, or all the pictures you want to put in, and okay, and then it imports them. I don't know why these are upside down. And then you hit OK. And then you can go in and it'll tell you when you last wore them if you use the calendar, which is super cool. So you know which clothes you're actually wearing and which ones you're not. And if you put the cost, I always thought this one was funny, if you put the cost of the item in, it will show you a cost per wear, and then you'll know, like, if you got your money's worth from that item. So we're here. I've already done a shit ton of organizing. So we go into all, and then I've got all my jewelry. You can put shoes in here. I leave the shoes out because I go through shoes like nobody's business. What you can do once you're in here, when you're in items, you can click here and go to new outfit category. And then that will create one of these guys here. So I've got jewelry, and then you can go into here and create new subcategory, and that makes these guys. And then you just go in and you add your items. So then down in your outfits, you can do the exact same thing. You got all your outfits organized here. You can name them. So I started out by building my summer work outfits, and I've got a couple summer casual outfits, and you can add as much shit as you want to them. So some of them are just basic with like shirt and pants, and then some of them I've got full-on jewelry for. And the only thing I haven't added to this are my belts. So I have a few outfits I still want to put in, but have yet to do so because I ran out of time when I was adding stuff to my closet and did not do my belts yet. I'm going to show you guys how to build an outfit here. So let's go to work for cold weather. So create new outfit. You can go to item grid, which will just bring up all the different categories, and it's kind of annoying. So I'm going to manually select items. I'm going to go with dresses. And this one, some of my pictures are really crappy, by the way. I really just couldn't be bothered to make them look nice. I just wanted to know what each piece of clothing was. So you can obviously set yours up in a much more presentable fashion, but this is how mine is. So this is a black fuzzy, like, you know, the eyelash fuzzy, like from like the 90s, that kind of dress. So I'm selecting that, and then you go back, bottoms, leggings. I'm going to pick the black leggings, and we go into jewelry, earrings. So let's do for this one some gold stuff. I'm going to pick these hoops and some little studs, necklaces. I'm going to go with the choker. So we've got the black, the gold, and the diamonds. Rings, because we always need rings. What are we going with here? Basically black and gold stuff. We'll do this guy. Bracelets, nah. Watches, nah. Alright, so then when you're done picking everything, you do the check mark, give your outfit a name. I just like to number mine in the categories, and there you have it. An outfit, and it'll tell you when you've last worn it, and remember, it only does that if you add it to a calendar. And then you can click here, see all your items, and it'll give you all the details down here. You can add like tags and little notes and change which closet you want it in. And you can hit this little heart and favorite certain outfits. And that's pretty much it, folks. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you guys have any other clothing apps that are also equally fantastic and awesome? Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or if you went to download this yourself. We will see you in the next video, guys.